Hello everyone, welcome to Chemazon-Complete Chemistry. So in this video, we are going to solve question 28 of the GATE 2022 chemistry paper, which is based on the chemistry of thallium halide. Now what is thallium halide? Tl is thallium, X is halide. Now what is X? X can be any halogen, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Okay, and this is a question. The correct statement about thallium halide is or are. Is or are means this is what? This is again an MSQ type of question, multiple select type of question. Now this is a theoretical question. In MSQ type of question, there is no negative marking. Okay, there is no negative marking. So you have to make sure, even if you have the slightest idea about the topic of thallium halides, you mark. Okay, you take your intelligent guess and mark any options whichever you feel appropriate. Don't leave the question. Okay, since there is no negative marking, even if you leave the question, you will get 0 mark. Even if it is incorrect, you will get 0 mark. But if, let's say, by chance your answer, what you thought was appropriate, is correct, then there is no harm, right? You can get the credit of this is a 1 mark. So you can get that 1 mark. Okay, if there is no negative marking, you mark. Okay, so these are the 4 statements. So let us see one by one. First is thallium fluoride is highly soluble in water, whereas other thallium fluorides are sparingly means hardly soluble or very less soluble. So this statement is correct. Why this is correct, we will see now. Now thallium fluoride, this is what? This is an ionic compound. Okay, this is an ionic compound. So what does the solubility of a compound depend on? The solubility of a compound, that is here the solubility of thallium fluoride, it will depend on what? It will depend on its intermolecular interaction with water. Okay, intermolecular interaction with water. So which interaction will take place? Here it is an ionic compound, right? So it will exist as Tl plus fluorine minus, and this will be surrounded by water molecules. Okay, H, OH, like this. So this is delta minus, this is delta plus, this is positively charged. So this is which interaction? Ion, and this is having poles or charge separation. So this is a dipole. So this is which type of interaction? This is a ion dipole interaction. Okay, similarly, fluorine will interact with hydrogen. This is another ion dipole interaction. Okay, opposite charged ions interact. This is also ion dipole interaction. Now fluorine being most electronegative, thallium fluoride has the highest ionic character. Highest ionic character. So because of this higher ionic character, thallium fluoride is very much soluble in water, but other halides are sparingly soluble or hardly soluble. So first option is correct. Now if you talk about the structure of thallium fluoride, it is what? It is a distorted NaCl structure. Distorted NaCl structure. It looks something like this. The first structure, this is which structure? This is NaCl structure, or it is also called as rock salt structure. Okay, and if you compare, the second structure is called as distorted rock salt structure. Distorted rock salt structure. What is the meaning of distorted? It is not proper. Here you can see there is proper crystal lattice that is formed. Here this big sphere is what? This is thallium, and this green one is fluorine. Okay, so this is not exactly same as that of rock salt structure. That is why it is called as distorted rock salt structure. So second statement is also correct. Now third one, TlI3 is isomorphic with cesium-I3 and the oxidation state of thallium is +3. It is isomorphic, yes. But is it having oxidation state of +3? No. So if you see TlI3, how does it exist? It does not exist as Tl3 plus and 3 iodine minus. If you're thinking like this and if you mark C as a correct option, this is incorrect. Okay, this is not the correct statement. What is the correct structure? TlI3 exists as Tl is a +1 cation, and then there is I3 having negative charge. Okay, triiodide. This is called as tri. Tri means 3 and iodide means iodine. So triiodide. And what is the structure of triiodide? It is something like this. Okay, it is having trigonal bipyramidal geometry. Middle iodine has total of 6, 7, 8 electrons, so it will get a negative charge. Okay, 3 lone pairs, 6, 7 and 8. Normally valence electron it has 7. 1 electron is extra, so negative charge. This iodine also has 3 lone pairs, and the third iodine also has lone pairs. So here you can see 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 7. If the electrons around an atom is same as that of the valence electron, then there will be no charge, no formal charge. Here 1 electron is extra, so it got a negative charge. Here also there are 7, so no formal charge. Okay, so this is incorrect. Okay, oxidation state is not +3, it is +1. And last option D is correct. Both thallium bromide and thallium chloride have CSCl structure. Now what is the meaning of CSCl structure? It is cubic structure. In between there is cesium, and then there are 8 other atoms of chlorine. Okay, this is called as cesium chloride structure. Okay, that is, this is forming shape of a cube. Okay, it is a cubic arrangement, simple cubic arrangement. So what are the correct answers? The correct answers for this are A, B and D. Okay, I hope you have understood the solution. And such type of questions, if there is no negative marking, you must surely attempt those questions. But if there is negative marking, then leave such question if you have not read the topic. If you have read the topic, very well and good, you can mark the answer. So I hope you have understood the solution. Thank you.